Stop. Before you pay another dollar for AI video tools, watch this. These AI fruit videos are getting millions of views on TikTok and Shorts right now. Most people think you need a paid subscription to make them. They're wrong. Google just quietly updated Gemini and it is 100% free. In the next 2 to 3 minutes, I'm showing you the exact zero-cost workflow to go viral.
First, we need our character. We aren't just making a fruit, we're making a viral character. Open Google Gemini. Use this specific prompt strategy. Create a hyper-realistic 3D strawberry character with big, expressive eyes and a cute smile. Here's where it gets absolutely insane. Ask Gemini to generate a JSON prompt for the scene. This ensures Google Veo 3.1 knows exactly how the fruit should move.
Now, move over to Google Veo 3.1. Upload your image. This is the anti-gravity of video creation. In the prompt box, describe the movement. The strawberry character does a backflip and winks at the camera. Hit generate. Look at that motion. No warping, no glitches, just pure viral potential. Stay with me, because the next step is how we turn this into a story. Most people will watch this, say cool, and do nothing. The people winning with AI aren't smarter. They're just moving faster. Start your channel today. I'll see you in the next. Most people will watch this, say cool, and do nothing. The people winning with AI aren't smarter. They're just moving faster. Start your channel today. I'll see you in the next.